So in my keyboard, I'm going to use keyboard shortcut for creating this symbol. That is, you can see this is a triangle, and you can also see a minus sign inside this triangle. So minus sign in triangle, this symbol. Okay, I have to create this symbol. That is minus sign in triangle using keyboard shortcut in Windows computer. So I open Microsoft Word and I go to show you how to create this symbol. Okay, for doing this you must use this keyboard shortcut alt 10810 for creating this symbol. Okay, for creating this you must first go to your computer keyboard, and this keyboard you can see this is a numlock key. You must press this numlock. Now we have enabled the numlock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. You do not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 10810. After typing that, then you can release your finger from this alt key, and you can see that the symbol have been arrived. For more videos, subscribe.